Hello friend, we discuss how to add layer on the map in ArcGIS Pro. So let's start. First we open ArcGIS software and go to map. Map is here. Go to map and go to add data. After click, go to data and here we select path we have in data. We go to path, we select here our file. If you want to one, you select one. If you want to more file, so you select first and last and OK. Our data is adding. Our data is added here. You see here. Zoom. You see here data added successfully in ArcGIS Pro. If you want to show in layer your ArcGIS Pro, so you go to view and here you select content. You see here content and click on content and you see here all layer. You see here all layer is available here. So this process is completed. Add layer on the map. Thank you.